Hey, Maddie, are you gonna let Daddy get work done today? Are you gonna let me get work done today? No! No! Welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. I've got the sun right in my eyes. Let's move out of the way. There we go. Today is Thursday morning, and tomorrow is Friday. It's our Friday market, and I have a lot of work to do yet again today for tomorrow's market. And one of the issues I was running into yesterday was this fridge that you could probably hear running behind me was not running for about a day and a half. And I think what happened is, because the air conditioner, if you could see behind me, it's kind of sitting on top of the unit. It's not leaning out of a window kind of like it's supposed to, like a window air unit. So water, when it rains, gets stuck in there, and it wasn't running properly and it kept stopping. So I had to let it dry out, and I think what I'm going to have to do is put like a roofing panel or something over top of my outdoor fridge here to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So I wasn't able to harvest food yesterday like I would have liked to. I would have liked to have already harvested my salad mix and have already washed my carrots. But luckily I have the carrots already harvested. They're just sitting in the cooler, so I'm gonna have to clean them today, and I'm gonna have to cut some more salad mix that I'm gonna do with my new greens harvester. So hopefully it won't be taking too long with my new greens harvester, and hopefully this thing keeps running so that I can keep it cool until tomorrow morning. We got the kitties again, the kiddos, so we're gonna do the best we can to get ready for the market. Let's see how this goes. Another thing that happened to slow a little bit of my harvesting down yesterday was this shed we just got delivered. This shed is actually going to be a 2-story barn. They have to come back and connect the top section of that, but we had to wait for them to come and deliver that, and that's really cool. We have 2 small dwellings now. This is exciting, but this is just another thing we got going on. Eventually we're going to convert this 2-story barn into our new home, and we're kind of excited about that. Yeah, Matthew likes it in here. Here's the stairs that is going to go to the upstairs. As soon as they construct it, they have to put that together. Yeah. And then behind it, Matthew likes to hear his echo in here. Yeah. Ah! You do it? No, you're not going to do it in front of the camera? You're too shy? So, we're doing what we did last week. We went grocery shopping, and on the way back we drove around long enough for Matthew to fall asleep in the car. So now I have hopefully at least an hour of time to wash carrots for tomorrow's market. I have 12 bags already. I want to have at least 30 bags, because that's how many I sold last Friday. And I also need to harvest salad mix for this week. The salad mix is right over there. I'm going to be using my greens harvester to cut those, but I'm going to wait until later this evening when the weather's a little bit cooler. Right now it's too hot.
My name's Lucy, and my brother's sleeping in the car like we did the other day, and today is September 1st. And my daddy's cutting my carrots as he can before Matthew wakes up for tomorrow's market.
Very good. And what are you drinking?
I'm drinking water.
Oh, I thought you were drinking coffee. Are you too young for coffee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy just came home, and Daddy just cleaned carrots more. It's on you. It's on you.
I got a lot of carrots to clean, and I haven't even cut my lettuce yet, so the lettuce cutting is better done when it's a little bit later into the evening. It's best cut in the morning, but I didn't get to do that today. So
Because Matthew woke you up.
Huh?
Because Matthew woke you up.
No, because the walk-in cooler wasn't working last night. Or I would have cut it. I would have cut it yesterday. So I have to cut the lettuce, and then we need to wash it, and that takes quite a bit, so I might be up pretty late. So this tool is called the Greens Harvester. It goes like this. It's really cool. And I really like this tool, and from now on I think I might be transitioning to a direct seeded lettuce like I have in this row. This is called the All-Star Mix from Johnny Seeds, and I really like the yield that I get, and I like how easy it is to harvest, and I'll show you right now how easy it is. One thing I noticed about this greens harvester is you have to sharpen the blade every few weeks, or you just basically push the greens over and it doesn't cut them. So you have to take your time, and well, make sure the blade is sharp, and take your time and go slow enough that you're cutting the lettuce, and make sure you're not pushing it over. But you barely have to bend over with this, and this is really nice for small leafy greens like this. So here we go. Let's harvest some greens with the greens harvester. Some of these rows were started before I had my flame weeder, and you can tell the difference between this row and this row. There's so many weeds in this row. This is red Russian kale that I'm not using my greens harvester in here because these weeds are clogging up my greens harvester. So I got to hand pick the red Russian kale, which means I won't get as many of the leaves in as I would like, but it's what I got to do. It adds a really nice loft to my salad mix, and really good flavor, good for you. So we're hand picking these leaves of kale, baby kale for you, hand picked, and you'll get it fresh tomorrow, so it doesn't get any fresher than that. Alright, we're off to the market again. We're running late. Gotta go. Wish me luck. Let's go. I am bagging up some of our head lettuces. Can't figure out the pack and play for some reason because my wife always sets that up, but she had to go to work. We were running late today, so he's back there. It's actually pretty comfortable back there. And yeah, I like to keep my head lettuces in these little bags on display, keeps them fresh longer. So that's what I'm doing right now. We got like maybe 30 minutes until the market starts, so got to get all these out. I got my carrots out. I'm gonna wait a little bit for the salad mix bags, put them out. But it's a nice morning. It was a little chilly this morning, but now the sun's out, and hopefully it's nice weather all day and there'll be lots of people here. It'll be really busy today. Go. Oh, you like that sound? Wow! Wow! Maddie, you're being so good. He's actually on a good what? He's what?
Camera's still on.
Oh, you can turn it off. Matthew, you waving to people? You waving? You waving? You waving? Hey, hi.
Are you still working now? No, I gave it up 2 years ago. I'm too old to go around the school. Now they did something in the state made all real money.
You working the register? Oh, I missed it. Oh, man. All right, so I didn't get to do a good wrap-up of finishing up at the market today. Got a little hectic there at the end. Today was actually kind of a hectic day with the kids in the market. There was a lot going on. There was a lot of people there. And this morning we were running late, and my wife wasn't able to help us. She usually comes and helps me set up in the morning, and she wasn't able to do that this morning, so I had all the kids I had to set up. I had to do everything with the kids, and it was I was a little stressed, but we made it through the day, and I'm exhausted. We had a good day. We sold all our salad mix. We didn't sell all of our carrots today, but we sold a good bit of carrots, and I'm happy with the progress that we're making on our little farm, and things are only going to go up from here. Things are getting better. I'm getting more confident as a grower, and I really enjoy selling at the market. I think that's the best part of being a farmer, is going to the farmer's market and being around people that have the same values as you do and understand and want good food and are willing to pay for good food and appreciate the things that you do. I really enjoy that, so I enjoy going to the market, and I hope you guys enjoy it too, tagging along with me and my kids. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy more these kind of videos. I'd really appreciate it. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or have any suggestions for anything. I respond to all the comments below in the videos. Alright, so that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.